Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Today I'm just doing a haul, man. I had 4 items that I wanted to show you guys. 3 of them were clothing items, and 1 of them is a shoe item. So we're gonna start with the clothes first. They're all 3 from the same brand. This is Chinatown Market. You can check them out. This is the Chinatown Market tee. They have been making a big splash late. They've been around. I just got put onto them, I think, around early this year. I think after Complex Con, I've heard a few people last year or this year in July talk about it. And I just happened to look their clothing line up, and they've had some cool stuff. So this is the Chinatown Smiley tee. Then I also copped the Chinatown PMA. Get out of here with all the negativity. I got that tee in yellow. The materials and the quality on these shirts, man, are thick. They're very thick, which is a good thing for me because it's about to get cold here anyway. We're having cool fronts, but the quality is thick. I like that. I can't complain. I know you probably hear that smoke alarm. I'm sick of it. I changed the battery. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take it down and just turn it off and figure something out with it. Sorry, but. And also, I have the Chinatown hoodie I copped off their website. They are expected to be at Complex Con. I'm hoping to be there. Looks like I'm going, if all else is well. Look like I will be at Complex Con, so I would definitely get the opportunity to check out their booth and see what else they have to offer. But this is the Chinatown hoodie. I bought an extra large. I haven't tried it on. I hope it's not too big. Kind of looks big. But I hope it's not. I'm gonna have to start buying larges in hoodies and crew necks. I'm have to start buying a large. I wear extra large, but they're starting to make them very big, so I have to start getting a large. I'm gonna sit this here. The last item I got is a shoe. It's not well hyped. Adidas had a sale. Now, the first time they had this sale, I copped this shoe actually for $26 in another color. And I put everybody onto the sale. A lot of people went on the website and copped stuff, and they were excited about it. And I ordered my shoe, and then 3 weeks later, I got an email saying it was canceled. So then they popped up with another sale, had the shoe again. This time I got it for $30. They didn't even give me, Adidas didn't even give me like a coupon or something to say, hey, I'm sorry, I have an icon status with their Creators Club, but yeah. They didn't send me that. They just, hey, sorry, your order's canceled after 3 weeks of being in process. Yeah, so I have the Adidas Continentals, $30. Can't beat that. Nice shoe. Stuff in there. Soft, very soft leather. In my opinion, it's a very overrated shoe. If you like just something simple, you know what I'm saying, something you can just go out casually, this would be the perfect shoe for that. And it has that green and red, kind of like the Gucci. So these are pretty dope. I will be rocking these more often than usual. Overall, nice shoe. Check that out. And that's pretty much it, man. Those are my pickups that I got. I will be doing some footage. It'll be coming soon, probably by the end of the week. Social Status is having a grand opening of the A Ma Maniere store. I think I'm saying that right. They're having their grand opening here in Houston, so I will be attending that. And I'll have some footage up for you guys. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in. TheSneakerTribune.com. Go to the website. We out. Dope content. I haven't been in my editorial bag as of late. Just been having so much going on. So I will be getting back into writing up more editorials on the website. A lot of people actually do like the editorials. Also, Complex Con. I've been posting content on the website of Complex Con from July and the one from last year to catch people up. If you plan on going, or if you're interested in knowing what it is, I posted content on the website for Complex Con for you guys to check that out. And expect to see me there. I plan on being there. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in. And until the next video, you guys be cool.